सब बॉयज आज हम रैंक करने वाले हैं WWE वुमेन्स डिवीजन को, सो लेट्स गो। First of all, we have the S tier, और सबसे पहले we'll put in Jade Cargill. SmackDown actually runs through her, and she is also the current women's champion. उसका aura काफी crazy, and one thing that is missing is a bit more title defenses. Next up, we have Liv Morgan. I don't think मेरे को इसके बाद कुछ बोलना भी चाहिए because Liv Morgan, I think her name is enough to be in the S tier, and I think she's not just winning, वो pieces भी move कर रही है, and I think उसका storyline काफी crazy होने वाला है आगे जाके, and I think she's got the mic skills, she's got the in-ring performance as well, and उसका character work बहुत crazy है. Next up we have Rhea Ripley. She is currently the tag champ with EO right now, but हम सबको पता है she's going back to the singles dominance ASAP, and I think Rhea Ripley का जो character work है that's top notch, and I think she deserves to be on the S tier. Next up, हम S tier में डालेंगे Io Sky को. She's one of the best in-ring wrestlers in the world, and I'm not even capping. And I think she's one of the wrestlers जिसके matches कभी भी मेरे को disappoint नहीं करते हैं. So Io Sky genuinely deserves to be in that S tier. Next up, we'll put Becky Lynch in the S tier. She just won the Women's Intercontinental title again, Maxine Dupri को हरा के. I think Becky Lynch mid-card belts को एकदम premium और I think equal to world titles feel करवाती है. And I think when we're talking about the S tier, Becky Lynch has to go there. Next up, we have Charlotte Flair, 14-time world champion, Ric Flair की बेटी. I think she's just crazy, and I think उसका comeback जब भी होता है, it is just a main event threat. She's built different. She goes to the S tier. Next up, we have the A tier. A tier में जाएगी Tiffany Stratton. She's very athletic. She's very confident. I think उसने काफी weight भी lose किया. She's jacked, ripped, whatever you wanna call it. And I think she's built for the big feud. So I think Tiffany goes to the A tier. Next up, we have Raquel Rodriguez. She is a powerhouse, and I think most people will agree with me. कुछ लोग मुझसे agree नहीं करेंगे कि मैंने उसको A tier में क्यों डाला. But I think she is a powerhouse, और वो हर एक move को बहुत ज़्यादा crazy करती है. And I think Raquel is on her trajectory upward and probably the next women's world heavyweight champion. Next up, we have Alexa Bliss. She has a crazy supernatural gimmick. उसके mic skills elite है, and I think she's always TV ready. She has to be on the A tier. Next up, we have Bianca Belair. She is the longest women's title reign ever, and मेरे को लगता है उसकी जो चोटी है that deserves to be in the A tier. Next up, we have Stephanie Vaquer. She won the women's world title before just getting hurt, and I think she's a technical monster जिसकी hype काफी global, and I think she deserves to be in the A tier. Next up, we have Bayley. काफी crazy storylines होती है इसकी, and I think she can talk, she can wrestle, and I think that's more than enough for Bayley to be in the A tier. Next up, we have Asuka. She just lost the tag belts, but I think she's still one of the most dangerous submission wrestlers alive. अब हम चलते हैं B tier की तरफ, and we have Lyra Valkyria. I think she is crazy. She flies high. She's a powerhouse as well, and I think उसका mid card जो title runs है उसने उसको momentum दे दिया, and this could be the big year for her. She could probably jump into the A tier 1-2-3 साल बाद. I don't know when. Next up in the B tier we'll have Chelsea Green. I think she's a Karen heel, comedic gold, और her segment she's in, she steals the show, and I personally love watching her, and you know why, man. And next up, we have the charismatic Maxine Dupri. She had a great 49-day Intercontinental Championship run. I was pretty happy with it. Most people weren't because they think she's very bad in the ring.